here. That is the whole issue. This is the whole issue. आता त्यांना
election commission contact.
Yes, we will try to contact. She is trying
I
to
have been
contact.
trying to
Flying
contact.
squad. Flying
Someone
squad is
is
responding.
there for someone.
Nobody is responding.
And no one is.
नंबर घेना तुमचा घेता
Sir, call. Sir, call.
स्टोरी लाए मेरे
Sir, if you call.
मिनिस्टर मिनिस्टर
Sir, call. Sir, is not answering our phone.
ही इज रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर
I don't want to involve myself in the process of the election.
तो येत आपल्या लोकांक मेवपाक
अरे तुझी ड्युटी हा भितर नको.
माझी ड्युटी एव्हरीवेअर आय एम दिस ऑफ
Don't tell me
Kamrabad
then where is my duty. Don't
I
tell
am
me.
born over here.
Yeah.
And these are my people.
Since you're born over here, do things. So what is this dirty thing that you
You
have
don't know what you come after 5 years. You come
I have come.
5 years येतात तू.
Panchayat
Vote say, vote say, vote say.
His mother has been the punch member for the last 5 years. 500 पॉइंट पैसे कडक सगळे लोक हाऊस टॅक्स भरता गार्बेज टॅक्स भरता तुम्ही पळयला जाल्यार सगळे गार्बेज दळण थिंगा आहा आणि आमचे लोक जे आहा हिंगा कामराबाद म्युनिसिपालिटीन काम करता आणि आमची जे सोसायटीन आमी रावता ते कचरा ते काडटा आणि गार्बेज थिंगा धाडटा पूण कशें रावताय सारके टॉयलेट्स ना तेंका सारके क्लिनलीनेस ना अशें कशें जालें क्वालिटी ऑफ लायफ इज अ बेसिक नेसेसिटी फॉर एवरी ह्युमन बीइंग and Mr. Monserrat knows that. He stays in such a big bungalow. Everything around his house is nice and clean. But how are his citizens staying? How are his citizens staying? ते मातशें तुमी पळोवपाक जाय. आं इतले जाले न्हू 20 वर्सां जाली निवडून पण anyway it's in the hands of the people. We are highlighting this issue तुमकां गोमपाक की बाबा अशें कशें इलेक्शन जाता voting पोनान आनी सर म्हणटा की बाबा we need opposition, we need to have a fair fight. ही fair fight न्ही. He fair fight me and it is a struggle every day. So Lokani, I know what may happen after this result day is left up to the citizens, in the citizens' hand. But this is the fact that voting is rigged, illegal activities are happening and people are being doing. These reporters know very well my work, they know what I do and they know that I am not doing something which is wrong. This is something which is because our democracy is at stake. Amche democracy is at stake.
तेका लोकांक विचार हेंका कांयच प्रॉब्लेम ना दे आर व्हॉटएवर
And till now the Mamlatar is not answering his call.
ते करता ते हॅपी हे 5 वर्सां येता पेचे करता वयता तेंका विचार लोकांक विचार एंड माय पीपल उंचे माय पीपल एकल्याक सांगून दी येस वी आर रीच फॉर पीपल म्हणून एकलो आख्खा कामराबाद कोणूच येतो पीपल ना हे कितें येता थिंगा इलेक्शन टायमार 5 वर्सांनी येता आनी बेस्ट हे हायलाइट्स करता टॉयलेट हे करून हे क्लीन करून ते क्लीन करून
tell us we know what is to be done. There is no need.
Who are you pointing to?
Who are you? And who are you?
Who are you pointing your finger?
Don't talk any rubbish. You will not talk any rubbish. No, she will not talk any rubbish.
I am talking facts.
अरे हे इला हिंगासर खोबून करपाक सी दिस इज व्हाट तमाशा शी वांट्स दिस इज व्हाट तमाशा
You know very well what is tamasha.
This is what
and
Tamasha
that
she is
this
doing.
is the fact and
First
this is
of
the
all,
reality.
she don't have one person also from Kamrabad with them. They don't have anyone, so they are making trying to make a big tamasha out of it.
वी आर कैंडिडेट
Yeah. पोलीस अध्यक्ष म्हणता my people कोण आहा?
At least we are fighting. We are giving an opposition. You all wanted to come
opposition?
on.
Opposition
You all
something should be
wanted
there with you.
Agnello Dikuna wanted to come unopposed. Our Dominic was pressurized to withdraw.
आणि social work
Mr.
करून
Monserrat
जाय.
also has gone visited him to withdraw the
ग्रामसभा
panel.
बेस्टे उलयतले 5
What is
वर्सांनी
there for?
पेचे करतले.
Are anyone? What is your reason of contesting? I can easily go to anyone's house.
This
So what is it? It is my
this
panel.
is on camera
What
now.
I'm
This
madam,
is on camera that he has said he has gone visiting the candidate's house.
Definitely, I have
During
gone.
the nomination filing, during
I
the
am saying I have
nomination
gone. I can go to
filing
anyone's
day,
house.
you are
I
not
cannot go.
supposed
You
to
just
go.
tell me.
Sir,
You
you
tell
only
me.
have said
Am
that
I
you
not
wanted an
supposed to go?
open fight. You only said that you wanted an open
wait,
fight.
wait.
You don't have to go to our candidate's house to
I
go
can
and
go to-
tell them to visit.
It
You
is
don't
not-
have
it
to
is
have a
not-
fair
see,
fight.
first
You
time-
don't have to ask. You don't have to ask our candidate. Why do you need to sit for elections?
कितें जालें वॉर्ड नंबर ना मुनीस पुली एक एजंट बसपाक ओसाने पळय थिंगा तुमी हेंका व्हिडिओ काडटा मरे ओस पोलिंग एजंट भायले हाडल्या कामराबादाचो हेंचे वॉर्ड नंबर 2 एकलोय पोलिंग एजंट ना हेंका बसपाक आय एम चॅलेंजिंग हर टेक वन पर्सन फ्रॉम वॉर्ड नंबर 2 एंड ब्रिंग एंड पुट इन द पोलिंग एजंट हें जायना तेंकोडेन मुनीस ना पोलिंग एजंट आनी उलयता व्हडले पेचे येवन हिंगासर कोणाक सांगता ही पॉलिटिक्स जाणे ब्रेड इज टेलर टू कॉन्टेस्ट पंचायत इलेक्शन आज चॅलेंजर एंड विन एंड शो
Suppose you know. Suppose you are.
I am challenging Cecilia to contest Panchayat election, win and show.
You just tell me.
This is my challenge to her.
See, ultimately, voting is
let the Inga Sorian be
voting. What happens? It is God knows and you, the voter knows whom they are voting. So it's a free and fair voting.
That's what I said.
That's what
Let it be known.
फोन करून सांग
I will not get myself involved in the process of their functioning.
No, but we are calling the Mamladar. He is not. I as a
Make a complaint.
as a minister.
Only one thing. What happened, sir? After you visited Kandu's house, let's talk about a very fair thing. After you visited Kandu's house, Kandu Vidru. No, wait. No, keep it quiet. So, no, this is what is happening. So,
No, we are. Let's talk. Upesh, let's talk about. Let's just 1 second. Let's just talk.